Hey guys, we're live at 10:21, battling for Gary's two winner silver battle, as seen up here. I got 20 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Copy them here, paste them here. There they are, 1 through 20. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got exactly a 5, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Scott, round 1. David, 2. Andrew, 3. David, 4. And our winner is Andrew Morris in the top 2 spots at numbers 18 and 19. Congratulations, Andrew. Here's the verification. VCF ZAO. Andrew Morrison at number 18 and Andrew Morrison at number 19 are the winners. I'm done at 10:22. There she is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.